Raise your hand if you have a dream home Pinterest board. Pretty much all of us have photos saved of cool features that we'd like in our dream home. My name is Jamie with Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm excited to share a few things to think about if you're in the process of creating your home buying wish list. It's helpful to think of your requirements in 3 sections: needs, wants, and wishes. Needs are features that are must-haves. Wants are features that may not be must-haves, but are key factors in your decision-making process. Your wish column is the icing on the cake. First, let's establish your needs. How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? Do you need a large backyard for kids and pets? Do you need a 1-story for an elderly family member, or 2 stories better for your family? Don't forget to consider if you have a location must-have. Next, let's talk about wants. These are features that aren't make or break, but will have a huge hand in deciding between a few houses. Do you want a pool? Looking for fireplaces, heated floors, or green energy? Think about if you'd enjoy an office space or a breakfast nook. Finally, it's the fun part. Let's talk about your wishes. This is a great time to pull up your Pinterest and look at all the fun things you've pinned over the years. Do you want an at-home gym? Maybe you're looking for a built-in coffee bar. One of the things I'd wish for is a stunningly landscaped backyard. Remember, these are things that are nice to have, but ultimately, you could put them in a home in the future if you want. If you're struggling to create your wish list, or you're getting overwhelmed with ideas, please reach out. I have resources that can help you get focused and take the stress off of you. If you're looking for an agent that can help you find everything on your wish list, comment below. I would love to connect you with one of my fantastic partners. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!